Currently watching a large, extremely dangerous tornado on the ground. Waiting upstream in position.
Very nice.
Got inflow streaming in.
Yeah, this is nice and warm air.
This is what we've been.
We are currently in.
This is last season.
Where are we? What Mississippi? Where are we at?
Purvis.
Purvis, Mississippi.
Oh yeah.
Positive about it.
Definitely a tornado.
It's like, well, let's just go home.
There's definitely a tornado with that. Sorry.
Oh, power flash. Hold on, it's definitely passing to our north.
Yeah.
I just don't want to drive into anything. Power flashes to the north.
Yep.
Again.
More powerful.
What, should I go back to the main highway?
Yes. So left.
Left here?
Yep.
Anybody coming?
No.
Yeah. There's a lot of motion right there.
I agree. Pulling in behind that tree over there. Really rotating. It's really pulling into that area back there.
Yeah. That's
Is it going to pass just southwest, the main area?
No, it should pass just north. We're looking. Honestly, the circulation should be north of us now on radar.
Well, remember it's high up,
Yeah, true.
so
It would be further to the southwest.